Hi friend, Ashish here. I am a yoga practitioner, yoga counselor. So I want to discuss with you that these days people are using bad words and abusive language. And nowadays I am observing the kids or the teenage boys and girls, the school kid, they are just using very bad words, and they are using the bad words, the abusive the abusive words are very normal in their languages, and they are using very bluntly and very casually. Actually, what happened if you are using one word so many times, then it will become your first language. So what I want to say, in yoga there are some mantras. So first of all I want to say, whatever you think, you become in that way. Whatever you take food, whatever you think or whatever you say, definitely you are going to be like that. So nowadays I am watching so many wave series, and basically wave series, and nowadays youngsters are very much fond of wave series, and they are quite active on social media and digital platform, digital media. So in that way I am just telling to my lovely younger brothers and sisters. So see those things is not bad thing. To seeing, watching those things is not bad thing. You can see, you can observe so many things, but take good things and don't you should not those are not the things you should inspire from them. You take and just enjoy and leave it. Just throw in dustbin. So if you are using bad words, bad stuff, or you are taking those things inside you, that will harm you. It's my belief, it's my feeling. If you say that no, you have a command over yourself, so I will tell you, my dear young brother, so that is not a good idea. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna told that to control your mind, yogaschitta vritti nirodha, to controlling mind is very tough thing. So why you are making your mind, more tougher to control? So you can control your mind. So just involve on those things, on yogic things. Involve yourself on yogic things. To mostly for girls, to my sisters, younger sisters, I told them that whatever you want to do, but follow yogic lifestyle, yogic philosophy and yogic words, good things. You know what are good and what are. These days people are saying, so many youngsters are saying, no, you can't judge anybody and nothing is good and wrong. No, this is not a right thing you should accept in your life. There are something good, there are something bad. You should accept good things. See, our law depends upon good and bad. People judge. The court, the law judge people, and they keep somebody on behind bars. They gave them capital punishment. How? Because they are doing wrong things. So definitely there are some bad stuff, there are some good stuff. In a way of learning, in a way of understanding this world, if you are watching those things, it's good. But don't indulge your life, indulge yourself on those things. So people are using so many abusive words and languages. This is not good. Non-veg talk. I am just watching youngsters these days. Youngsters are watching non-veg talk. Youngsters are watching non-veg things, and they have the conversation. In friends, they are feeling that if they talk non-veg, everybody will enjoy. Don't think like that. You can put yourself on good sports, something good. You can put yourself on good things. Yeah, bad thing attract, definitely. But just ask your heart, ask your soul inside. There is something inside, core in your heart. He will guide you. That is Purusha. In yoga, what I am saying to you, the thing, that is Purusha. So just discover Purusha inside you, to girls also. Please don't spoil your life. You are the citizen of India. It's not about the citizen of India, to anybody all over the world. If you are a human being, then just follow your heart, your soul, your instinct. What is your identity? Just think about yourself. Who are you? Just recognize yourself. You are not this. Why you are making yourself so much? Why you are making your personality very gross? Make your personality very deep and rock your life. Discover yourself. So you got what I want to say you. I hope you understand what I want to say you. And if something you want to say, please tell me. I would like to know your suggestion. Thank you, friend. Thank you.